Now for this question, yeah, so you need to find this data first and then make the table. So, well, first, all the questions here, when I'm doing this question is you're gonna write down what's the information given, right? So it's 148, who is without PS, and then so the code should be equal to 1, and that's D minus. This is 189 with PS. The PF will be 2, and then that's D plus. So what we're gonna write here is the table. I know some people don't really like the table, but this is really useful. You have the table, and then you have all the formulas in class. You have everything. This is disease positive, disease negative, test. So, so what is given here is without is 142, and this is 489. I'm not gonna write down what's inside this one, so I'm just gonna use ABCD. So you just get this data and find out. So this one A plus B, and this is C plus D, and this one is 632, 631. Yeah. Okay. This is a total. So 81 is the sensitivity, right? What's sensitivity? Is the probability. What's the probability to test positive when there is actually disease? So that will be probability to test positive and disease positive given there is disease. So what's the probability of test positive? That will be, this is the part, right? So it's A over 631 given what's the probability of having disease? It's 631. So this part basically cancel each other, so it's A over 689. Yeah, so and for 82 specificity, that will be there's no test is negative and there's no disease. That will be so what is this part? It's here, right? So it's D over this D over 142. Yeah. 142. Yeah. So and then most people probably have the problem with this question. Right. So what the question is, so the test score is greater than, right? That means is test positive. So given the test is positive, what's the probability that the person has the disease, right? So it's what's the probability of test positive given what's the probability of disease given test positive, right? If the test result is greater than something, so this means test positive, and then want this one. So you write the same thing here. It's probability D and T given T. So what is in this bracket? Yeah, we just use it here, right? So it's the same thing here. A over. What is this one? So here is the tricky part. Actually, we suppose there's 70%, right? So this is 0.7. Then you solve this one, you got the result.